Time check, it's already 4:07 in the morning. It's too early. And papunta nga kami ng Clark sa Widus. So we decided na to go early kasi napaka-traffic sa NLEX. And yun nga, so then sobrang traffic ngayon at 4 o'clock in the morning. Pero mas matindi yung traffic nito mamaya pag late pa kami umalis.
We just arrived here sa Widas. So hindi pala siya binabasa as Widus. So binabasa pala siya as Widas. Parang enjoy your moment with us. Yun daw yung ibig sabihin nun. And isa lang pala yung may-ari ng Swiss Hotel. Kung familiar po kayo, bagong hotel lang yun dito sa Clark. Dito kami ngayon sa hallway. And may special way daw pala dito going to the casino and different restaurant inside this Swiss Hotel.
Concept natin para siyang food court style. First station, we have the grill.
Okay.
For the second, we have rice. We also have soup and stew and pasta. For the island bar, we have pizza, salad, and dessert.
Thank you. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's already 11 o'clock and we are here at Swiss Hotel, Clark. Currently, nasa Mark Restaurant kami. So, parang food court siya and then mag-order ka doon, separate. And dadalhin na lang yung order dito or di kaya naman pwedeng kayo yung directly na pumunta dun sa mga restaurant na gusto nyo kainan. So right now we have, ano yan sir?
Bread rolls po, from the chef.
Bread rolls, okay. Ayun natin dito si Sir Marky ba? Sir Maki, ayun. Alright, thank you. So we are checking on the menu para makapag-order na kami. Nakaka-class talaga. Tinawagan na tayo sa front desk ng Widas. So mag-check-in na kami para makapagpahinga na kami. Yes. Meron kami ditong carbonara na penne and then fettuccine. Meron kami ditong chicken and fries with lemon and sauce. And we also have here a crepe banana. And we also have here Hawaiian pizza. Ayan. Thank you. And we're going to eat our lunch and we'll keep you posted later on. Namin masyadong nagalaw itong Hawaiian pizza. So most probably, i-take out na lang namin. Tapos kainin namin tonight or kahit merienda after mag-swimming this afternoon. To experience this restaurant ay sobrang klase niya and sobrang sulit ng feels, the vibe, even the facility and yung mga staff nila dito, very accommodating. And then look at the roof or the kisame, di ba? Parang may vibe siya ng Europa.
Welcome to Widas Hotel Clark. Widas exclusive.
Hi guys, our room number is 412. Finally, we have our room na. And this is our key card. Tap lang and open. And upon entering, ayan, so medyo maingay lang. So, main door, same as usual. We have cabinets with bathrobe for privacy purposes and security. We have a vault para malagyan natin yung mga important things. And at the same time, laundry bag, we have blower and sleepers. Then sa other corner naman, ito yung ating bathroom or wash area. So meron tayong huge dito na salamin, lavatory, complete set of dental kit, soap, lotion, and everything. Meron tayong zoom mirror dito. Ayan. Tapos, mga towels sa lower part. Ang ating shower area, which is enclosed naman siya. May head over shower, syempre hot and cold. Soap. Isa lang talaga ang soap. Soap and syempre shampoo, bidet. So this is very important. Mga towels, ayan. So just a normal. And kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang linis and sobrang minimalist. This is our mini bar. Yung pakape, tasa, initan ng tubig. Sa ilalim naman, we have our mini refrigerator, which is umaandar and walang laman at all. So ikaw na lang yung bahalang maglagay. Yan. So more spaces to put in. We have our whole body na mirror. Ayan. Tapos sa kabilang side naman ay connecting door to sa kabila. Lagayan ng mga gamit dito. Tapos we have wide TV. Tapos may LED cube sa ilalim, may basurahan, mga spaces, pwede nating paglagyan. Office table, ayan. So bag ko yan. Spacious. And sa other side naman, sa bed natin, maganda, no? Ito yung mga magaganda na ngayon sa mga modern na bahay. Yung accent na ganyan, maganda. May cove light sa loob, may dalawang light, kabilang gilid. May bedside, table, telephone. So ayan siya kabuuan. Okay? So, yun yung aircon namin. Tapos, okay na to kasi malinis. Saka very minimalist. Sa kabilang part naman, balcony. Ang aming view, yung view namin sa labas ay pool. Natatakpan kami ng mga coconut tree. Ayan. Pero I think it's okay. And ayun yung Marriott sa kabilang side. Ang aking quick room tour. Kung makikita nyo naman sa mukha ako, di ba? Ang init kasi sa labas. Pero nakapag-lunch na kami, mapahinga muna. And mamaya po na tayo sa gym, sa pool, papakita ko sa inyo. And kung ano ba yung mga gagawin natin dito. Naantok na ako, so yun lang muna, pahinga muna. And then, balikan ko kayo ulit mamaya.
A few moments later.
The gym area. Ayan. Tayong mga equipment dito. Ang palaki ng mga muscle and all that. Testingan natin itong isa na ito. Ay, bigat. Bigat pala siya, guys. Tapos, yan, complete. May aircon din naman, may sounds. Meron tayong mga treadmill dito, may dispenser, may water with lemon, pipino. May pa-apple pa sila. Yeah, this is real. May towel, trash bin, everything. So mostly complete naman. Spacious naman kahit pa paano. Hindi man ganun napakalaki, pero sakto na rin para mag-workout. Ayun, nag-workout din si Mateo. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa pool area. Check lang natin. So may mga chairs and tables covered para sa sunlight. And this is the pool area. Yan.
The next day.
Ayun guys, so good morning. This is the breakfast area. Ayan, so ito yung breakfast buffet section. And kumuha na ako ng pagkain. I have here longganisang matamis, sausage, may adobo, bangus, may corn, may rice, beans yata to, tapos may konting gulay on the side. Yun lang muna for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on TikTok at VinDeVera920 para kahit walang kwenta ang araw nyo, ma-feel nyo pa rin, ma-exclusive kayo. And syempre, don't forget na mag-give love sa mga bagay na ginagawa natin para at the end of the day, maging successful tayo. Yun lang muna for now. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye! Bye!